In the heart of a dense, unyielding forest, a young woodcutter named Alex began his journey. A humble soul, his beginnings were modest, yet his ambitions were anything but. His was a story of relentless determination, a story of striving for a future brighter than the present. Every day, Alex would disappear into the embrace of the forest, his axe in hand. His was not an easy path, fraught with challenges and setbacks aplenty, but the flame of Alex's ambition never flickered. It only grew brighter, fueled by his unwavering desire to succeed. Seasons changed their colors, but Alex's resolve stayed unaltered. He became a true son of the forest, learning its secrets, mastering the craft of woodcutting. Each swing of his axe not only split timber, but also built his strength, resilience, and determination. Years of perseverance and sweat bore fruit when Alex's craftsmanship started making waves. Merchants and traders from distant lands sought after his exceptional timber, turning his humble woodcutting venture into a thriving enterprise. His name echoed across lands, a synonym for quality and reliability. But success never swayed Alex from his roots. He wore his achievements lightly, his humility shining brighter than his success. He was quick to extend a helping hand, always grateful for the opportunities life had offered him. Alex's journey from a humble woodcutter to a successful entrepreneur was not just his personal triumph, it became a beacon of inspiration for others, a testament to the power of perseverance, hard work, and an unwavering spirit. Alex's tale of success echoed through the forest, reaching the ears of generations to come. It served as a reminder to never give up on dreams, to chase them relentlessly, no matter the odds. Because sometimes the journey of a humble woodcutter can teach us more about life than the most elaborate of textbooks.